Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can recover Facebook account without email or password. So for that you have to simply access your Facebook app on your mobile phone. Now first let's tap on this profile icon in the bottom right. In the bottom right, swipe down and tap on Logout. Tap on Logout again. Now let's say you're gonna simply trying to log into another account, right? Simply gonna go ahead and enter the information of your username, phone number, email, or anything like that, right? And once you're done, let's say you have forgotten your password completely. Now what you're gonna do, you're gonna tap on this forgot password, enter your mobile number. If you, as I mentioned, you do not remember your email but you do have option to add in your number, go ahead and enter the number of yours, tap on continue. You will get a code on your mobile number, go ahead, paste it. Now you will get an interface where you will be able to create a new password for you, create a new password, re-enter it. Once you can confirm that, you're gonna go back to your login section, enter your username or number of yours, type in the password, type in login, and you're good to go. That is how you will be able to simply recover your password of your Facebook like that. That is how you can do it. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.